Good morning, one and all. Very warm welcome to you all. I am glad to introduce today's speaker for first two sessions, Dr. Bharat Suryavanshi. He is Assistant Controller of Patents and Designs. He is the Assistant Controller of Patents and Designs at Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, Nagpur. He joined Patent Office in July 2003 as Examiner of Patents. He is a proud recipient of MPhil and PhD degrees from Gulbarga and SRTM University, Nanded, respectively. He has attended many international conferences and also has published 6 research papers in various journals. Dr. Suryavanshi has attended many national and international trainings, out of which one I would like to highlight over here is that he has attended a training in Japan in the year 2007. There is one more landmark decision, which is to his credit, we can say. This decision was with regard when India rejected Pfizer's patent application for arthritis drug in 2015. It was highlighted that this drug did not enhance the efficiency of the existing approved drugs. He played a major role in evaluating the patent application, and his comments were reported by newspapers. The first two sessions he is going to handle, in which the first session he is going to talk about importance and advantages of protection of IPR, introduction and types of IPR, invention and discovery, and he is also going to talk about novelty, inventive step, industrial applicability. In the second session, he is going to talk about what is the filing procedure for Indian patent application. He is going to talk about patentability criteria, inventions which are not patentable in India, for which he is going to give some examples. He's also going to talk about filing process, form fees, and the flowchart to complete the entire process. So without much ado, I will ask Dr. Bharat Suryavanshi sir to please continue with the next two sessions. Thank you, sir. Welcome, sir, once again. Pooja, madam, can you mute yourself, please? There is a slight disruption from your side.
Yeah, good morning to everyone. We also welcome you all for the intellectual property session, which is being as many of the doctors have been already awarded their intellectual property for their work, even though we will tell detail about the IPR from introduction to the filing of the procedure. I'll start with my slide sharing. I'm sharing, it's taking a little bit time. Open sign. PPT open करा. PPT आहे ना PPT. हाँ. नाही झालं. Next ला Are you able to see my PPT?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. First of all, I start with a brief overview of my office, where we are working. We work under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Department for Promotion of Industry and International Trade. Our office is called as Office of the Control General of Patents, Designs, Trademarks, and Geographical Indications. We are having patent offices at different locations, that is Kolkata, New Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai. It is depend upon the jurisdiction they have divided. PIS is called Patent Information System. Now it is called as Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, Nagpur, where I am sitting now. Here we are training to all the faculties, students, lawyers, company fellows, IPR practitioners, And as for WIPO people or any foreign countries, we are having assignments with them regarding WIPO summer school and many different bricks, like many different programs we are there, which we do study about the extent of rules and regulation, acts of the how the other countries are doing their patent practices and how we are. So this is a training center where only one in India located. Therefore, all the people comes here physically for the training, but because of COVID, we are all training has been scheduled online only. We are having trademark office at Mumbai, Kolkata, New Delhi, Chennai, and additionally one is Ahmedabad, wherein geographical indication and appellate board are located at the Chennai. Let us see detail about the different kind of intellectual properties. These are our IPO buildings of pictorial view, wherein Mumbai, you might have seen because you lies under the jurisdiction of Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, and Kolkata. This is our training center, which I described about the training center, whom we are training. This is our website, wherein you can get all the details about patents, designs, trademarks, and geographic indications, wherein you can get all the forms, fees, and even the if you are searching in that our databases, you can get the sample of applications, how they are written or how they are drafted. This is our website on social media, where we are updating our regular training center. That may be 1 day training, 1 week training, 3 days training of different intellectual property. You can visit our RGNIPM Facebook, that is www.facebook.com RGNIPM IPR, or you can go to Twitter. Again, in that also we are giving all the details about upcoming programs. Let us see what is intellectual property. This is a product of mind. Something what you are discussing and bring in the form of solution to any problem, or something new, that's an intellectual property which arises from your, that comes while discussing in the classroom if you are in the teaching field, or if you are in R&D labs while discussing on any problems, or simply taking a long standing problems which are there in and around us. If you are discussing something, that we give the solution. So such type of inventions which comes from your mind is called an intellectual property. Let us see background of the intellectual property. There are two kinds of properties, that is tangible and intangible. Intangible, we all well know about movable cars, immobile buildings, golds, and many other different kind of properties, where people think that if you're having cars, buildings, golds, we are very rich and I find they are all having egos. But there is another kind of intellectual property, wherein we are having industrial property and copyright. In industrial property, patents, designs, trademarks, and geographical indications. Let us see what is the definition of intellectual property. It's an intangible creations of human intellect having commercial value, asset like any other form of property. We are here, competition asset like other form of property means like gold, building, plots, or cars. So this is another kind of property which is in the form of assets. Why this asset? Once you are having a patents on your name, if it's really worth, it's working, then you are getting a royalty by licensing or by giving license symbol or cost, and depend upon you, because you are the whole and sole authority of your granted patents. There are different kind of rights on intellectual property, that is called exclusive right, wherein once the patent is granted to you, only or exclusively you can use that patent for selling, licensing, or whatever you want to do with that. No one can stop you from that. It also called as a negative right, because only you can enjoy the right. Patent is also called as a territorial right, because once you are applying in India,